Today is March the 13th, 2026, and in this video, I will show you the latest USDJPY trading opportunity using my advanced Ichimoku plus moving average plus Renko trend strategy. This signal is focused on trend continuation and smart profit protection. So make sure you watch till the end because I will explain entry condition, stop loss, take profit, and exit management. Pair and market structure. The pair we are analyzing today is USDJPY on H1 time frame. On the higher time frame confirmation, the Ichimoku Scanner H4 shows a green B-zone box with a check mark. This confirms that the market is still in a strong bullish trend direction. Price structure on the main chart is also showing higher highs and higher lows, which means buyers are still controlling the market. The 50 moving average is above the 200 moving average, and price is trading above both dynamic supports. This confirms the primary trend bias is buy. Renko momentum confirmation. Looking at the Renko structure, we can clearly see white Renko bars pushing upward with long upper tails. This indicates buyers are still pushing price higher, and momentum is still bullish. However, the market has already made a strong impulsive move upward, and price is currently approaching a monthly resistance projection zone. This means this is not a safe fresh entry zone anymore. Smart trade management rule, important. If you already entered buy positions earlier in the trend, this is the stage to start protecting profit. Here is the exact professional action plan. First, close the first 4 earliest entries to secure partial profit. Second, move stop loss of remaining positions to around price level 158.20, which is near the green moving average 50 dynamic support. Third, allow the remaining trades to continue running as long as the trend remains valid. Final trend exit will happen when the 50 moving average crosses below the 200 moving average. This will indicate a confirmed trend change, and all remaining buy positions should be closed. Next safe entry opportunity. For traders looking for new entries, the best opportunity will come only after a healthy pullback. The ideal condition to watch is a temporary green Renko bar against the uptrend, followed by the next white Renko continuation bar, while Ichimoku H4 remains green. That will be the next high probability pyramid entry setup. Projected target zones. Based on current chart structure. Continuation target. 1. 159.20 continuation target. 2. 159.80. Extended monthly target, 160.40. These targets are based on trend expansion projection and resistance structure. Final market bias. Overall, market condition remains. Trend direction, bullish. Momentum is strong but stretched. Trade stage, profit protection phase. New entry timing. Wait for pullback confirmation. If you want to receive my daily Forex signals and step-by-step strategy guidance, join my free signal bot now. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a profitable setup. See you in the next signal update.